So, good evening guys. This is our lure for this day. A blue lure, a spawn lure. This is a spawn lure. This is used for trolling. Yeah, it's a trolling lure. It's a spawn lure. So 4 pieces, around almost 32 dirhams, almost 8 dirhams per piece. So this one with a good hook. Yeah, sharp hook. And we have this one. And this one protection for the hook so that you will not get this hook. This one in blue color, all in blue, 4 pieces with blue color. So this one is good. You will troll this one in the sea. Put a lead weight so that it will sink a little deeper. This will look like a spoon being trolled. So good for some pelagic species like barracuda, trevally, queenfish, kingfish. That's all. Thank you.